Have you ever wondered if the Bible secretly holds answers to your insomnia? Today, new brain mapping shows some biblical plants can calm your stress response. In this video, we'll explore 9 biblical herbs that may help you finally sleep deeply. Modern life is brutal on sleep. Screens, deadlines, and constant notifications. When your body stays in fight or flight, deep, restorative sleep is almost impossible. Thousands of years ago, people used herbs to calm their nerves before sleep. Spikenard is one of the most famous sleep herbs mentioned in the Bible. Plants in the spikenard and valerian family can boost calming GABA activity in the brain. You'll usually see spikenard as an essential oil or a small bedtime tincture. Hyssop, a cleansing herb in the Bible, belongs to the mint family. It may help calm overactive nerves and ease tight, anxious breathing. A small cup of hyssop tea in the evening can be a gentle way to unwind. Calamus, a sweet-smelling root, was used in sacred oils and fragrances. Traditionally, calamus was used to soften nervous tension and mental overload. With calamus, stick to small, traditional amounts from trusted sources. Cedar appears throughout the Bible in temples, homes, and sacred oils. Inhaling cedar wood can nudge your nervous system toward rest and digest. A diffuser with a few drops of cedarwood oil can become part of your night routine. Mint isn't just a garnish, it's a gentle, calming herb for body and mind. Relaxing your digestion can make it much easier to fall and stay asleep. If you get reflux, keep mint tea milder or use it earlier in the evening. Cassia, a cinnamon-like bark, warms the body and soothes the nerves. That cozy warmth tells your nervous system it's safe to relax. Frankincense, a sacred resin, has been used for centuries to calm the mind. Its aroma can slow your breathing and gently pull you out of panic. Rose works more on the emotional side, softening tension in the heart. It can be especially helpful when your insomnia is driven by grief or worry. Water lilies and lotus-like flowers have long been used to create a peaceful mood. Your body has 2 main modes, fight or flight and rest and digest. These herbs help your nervous system shift from red alert into rest mode. About 30 to 60 minutes before bed, brew a warm herbal tea. In your room, add a drop or 2 of calming oil to a diffuser. Then lie down and breathe slowly, in for 4 counts, out for 6. Over time, these small habits can help your nervous system remember how to rest. If this helped, like the video, subscribe, and share which herb you'll try first.